If you ask me, this is the final opportunity to lock in before XCN takes off. We are going to be talking about the XCN price chart on the daily time frame real quick. XCN is currently trading around 0.011. I think we've retraced the pump we had that was 12th of September 2025. I also drew you guys attention to a potential retracement of that pump when XCN was showing sign of weakness as a result of tapping into this resistance around 0.013 level for XCN. Now, we are going to be talking about the XCN price update real quick, and not to forget the entire market is currently in an indecisive phase, which is as a result of the FOMC meeting we are expecting. Now, we are going to be talking about this, and as you can see over here, the next FOMC meeting is going to happen in the next 1 day, 3 hours and 36 minutes. We are going to be talking about that. The market sentiment, we are going to briefly talk about that as well. Not to forget this very important MACD indicator for the orders chart against the BTC price on the monthly time frame, and also we are going to be talking about the orders chart / BTC pair on the monthly time frame, which is indicating we are about to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you're here to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Altcoin season is about to begin. Like, the entire altcoin is about to explode. We are going to talk about this chart in detail very soon in this video. Not to forget the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame as well. This is one of the most important indicator, altcoin season indicator you all should be paying attention to. You have to filter the noise, otherwise you won't know when to exit, and you won't know when to stop buying. Like, seriously, we're going to be talking about the MACD as well for the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. Not to forget, briefly, we're going to be comparing the orders chart to the Ethereum chart. The moment orders is doing what Ethereum did a couple of weeks ago, Ethereum broke out of this red box, broke out of this resistance, and sent aggressively to the upside. The orders chart is about to do the same. We are going to be talking about that shortly. Not to forget the BTC daily time frame price. I also have a limit order there, which we are going to be talking about shortly in this video as well. So let's go back to XCN real quick to see what's up. Now, this is XCN, the Onyx coin, and a lot of people are disappointed and not satisfied with the price action, the performance of XCN Onyx coin so far, and I won't blame them at all. You get, because most of them had their money on the line. You get, they invested their hard-earned money. So what do you expect? Emotions must play out. I also at some point got really frustrated and angry with the XCN price action. But the truth of the matter is, I'm still waiting for my final entry zone for XCN, which I'm not totally banking on getting this entry. As a matter of fact, if care is not taken, I might not even get this entry, which is still going to be fine by me, because I would love to see the XCN price begin to reverse and rally to the upside. We've been in a downtrend for too long already, for so long. We need to start aggressively pumping. But for that to happen, that is why we are still sticking to this chart, because this chart is helping us filter out the noise or any garbage. Now, here's the thing. The moment you see XCN flipping the 0.0135 and also 0.0149 into a support, then that should signal that XCN is about to begin to rally aggressively to the upside, which the confirmation of XCN season rally should be we flipping the 2-cent level into a support, because the 2-cent level, we clearly have a bearish breaker block there. Sorry, a bearish order block there. It's an obvious bearish order block, and it begins from 0.018 all the way to 2 cents. The moment XCN is able to flip that invalidate that bearish order block, then that is when the bears are going to get frustrated. XCN is just going to totally melt faces and frustrate the bears. Seriously, the bears are going to get so disappointed. That is just it. That's all I have for XCN in this video. And let's just talk about some of those important charts you need to pay attention to know when to exit XCN and when to buy more XCN. If you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market sentiment, fear and greed index, you will notice we are currently seated at the neutral zone, which is indicating 52 level. Yesterday was neutral, last week was neutral. Now, the reason why the market is currently in an indecisive phase in the neutral zone is as a result of the FOMC meeting we are expecting tomorrow, which is on Wednesday, 17th September 2025. Now, if you're paying attention, we are left with 1 day and 3 hours 53 minutes until the next FOMC meeting. And if you're going down a little bit, you get to see that we have a probability of a 96.1% probability of getting a 25 basis point in the next Fed rate cut, which we are expecting in September 17th, 2025. And we have a 3.9% probability of getting a 50 basis point. Now, in my own opinion, regardless of what rate cut we get tomorrow, either 25 basis point or 50 basis point, I think the market is still going to be bullish for the market in the long run. Like, seriously, that's what I think. And that's one of the reasons why you should not panic sell at the moment. What you should be doing right now is to DCA into your project, into projects you believe are going to perform well in the forthcoming altcoin season. The altcoin season is going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to come like a thief in the night. If you really want to maximize your profit, then what you should be doing right now is to DCA into the potential projects you believe in. Now, the rate cut is going to usher in a new flow of liquidity into market like stock market, crypto market, and so on. You wouldn't want to be left sitting on the fence when the liquidity flow begins. Now, if you're paying attention to the others charts against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame, you would notice the last time we got a bounce from here was in 2017. The most recent last time was in 2021, which is the last market cycle. And when we got that bounce, it ushered us into a massive parabolic phase of the entire market. Same thing is happening right now. We've gotten a bounce in 2025 so far from that same level, which is indicating we are now gradually into the altcoin season, which is one of the reasons nobody in his or her right senses should be selling now. Whatever I say, by the way, is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Like this video if you haven't already. Please destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, once again, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if you're paying attention to this orders BTC pair chart MACD indicator, you will notice the MACD line is about to go above the signal line, which is a bullish signal indicating we are about to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. The last time the MACD line crossed above the signal line and also went above the zero line was in 2021 when we got this bounce from here. And what happened after then? The entire altcoin market skyrocketed to the moon. Now, we are even yet, both the MACD line and the signal line is yet to cross above the zero line, not to talk of printing a green histogram. We need to print a green histogram like this. Now, the truth of the matter is, the reason why I said you're still early to DCA to position aggressively is because the MACD line is yet to cross the signal line. That is indicator number 1. Now, the next indication here now is for both the MACD line and the signal line to go above the zero line and also above the histogram. The moment that is happening, then you should know we should already be in a full-blown altcoin season. Now, let's check what the BTC dominance is saying real quick on the monthly time frame, by the way. Now, this is the BTC dominance, and like I've drawn you guys' attention to this chart countless times. The last time the BTC dominance crashed aggressively in 2017, we rallied aggressively, altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Same thing happened in 2021. Now, We are yet to get that aggressive dump on the BTC dominance, which is indicating you guys are still early. That is for those that are yet to position. You are still early and we are almost at the finish line. There's definitely going to be light at the end of the tunnel. There's no point panicking selling right now at all. Like seriously, the moment that crash is happening, is going to be fast. And altcoins are going to rally aggressively hard as well. That is where you can begin to see 2-digit pump, 3-digit pump on your favorite altcoin on a daily basis. The crash is coming, which is going to usher us into an aggressive altcoin season. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator for the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, it has printed its first bearish histogram, which is indicating, and also the MACD line has crossed below the signal line, indicating that the BTC dominance is about to crash. Now, if you are comparing the Ethereum chart, Ethereum is still currently in her season. If you're comparing the Ethereum chart to the others chart, both on the weekly time frame, you will notice the others chart, which is the combination of the entire altcoin market, excluding top 10 to top 15 altcoins in the crypto space or cryptos in the crypto space. Now, the others chart is clearly lagging behind. The moment the others chart is able to completely flip the $305 billion into a clean support and begin to rally aggressively out of this box, just like Ethereum did a couple of weeks ago, then it is going to be a full-blown altcoin season for us. That is what is going to usher the entire altcoin market into a massive altcoin season. You guys should hold your horses very, very well. Now, this is BTC on the daily time frame. BTC price is currently trading around $114,811. Now, I have a limit order around $112,000 level. I posted it on the Telegram channel for you guys as well. Feel free to check it out if you want to like get an entry as well. So I have a limit order on BTC. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's that for that. And if you ask me, I think altcoin season is coming. Hold on to your horses very, very well. DCA if you can. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button. Peace out.